How to create photorealistic AI receipt images, a complete tutorial. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and demonstration purposes only. The techniques shown are intended to showcase AI image generation technology. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to generate realistic receipt photos using AI technology. We'll be using PaperPlugg's receipt builder to create a professional-looking receipt image that looks like it was taken with a smartphone. First, navigate to the template section and select the brand you want to work with. For this tutorial, we'll use the Arc'teryx template. Click on the template to open the editor. Once the editor opens, you'll see the receipt is pre-filled with a beta jacket product. This is where you can customize all the details. Let's adjust the price. Simply click on any field you want to edit and type in your new value. You can also change the date, store location, and any other details to match your needs. Now here's where the magic happens. Click the Generate Photo button to open the AI image settings. This is where you control how your final photo will look. You have three main options to customize. Background. This controls what surface or environment your receipt appears on. Select Other and type a custom description. For example, next to a black Arc'teryx jacket. This creates a more authentic context. Lighting. Choose how the photo is lit. Change this from daylight to indoor for a more realistic home or store environment. Condition. This affects how the receipt paper looks, whether it's flat, slightly crumpled, or folded. Once you're happy with your settings, click Generate Photos. The AI will now create 3 unique variations of your receipt photo. This usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds. Here are your 3 generated images. Each one is slightly different angles, different lighting variations. Browse through them and pick the one that looks best for your needs. Found the perfect one? Simply click to select it and hit Download. Your photorealistic receipt image is now saved to your device. And that's how you create photorealistic AI receipt images in just a few minutes. For more templates and features, visit paperplugg.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.